Good day. This is Peter Kniff from Castlestone Management with comments on the U.S. markets for the week ending April the 4th. U.S. stocks ended a tough week with a brutal Friday. Equities, which were already under pressure from the newly announced Trump tariffs, which were larger than expected, extended their losses after the Federal Reserve Chairman warned that the economic fallout from escalating trade war could spark inflation and the Fed might be forced to raise rates to offset price hikes. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq lost 10% in the week, while the Dow Jones dropped 7.9%, with most of the losses coming on Friday. The CBOE Volatility Index, the VIX, which is an indication of fear in the market, has risen to a level that suggests panic in the equity markets. If you're a contrarian, that's a buy signal. Treasury bonds were rallying in a flight to quality before Fed Chairman Powell's comments on Friday, warning that tariffs could have a greater than expected economic impact, and stressed that the need to prevent inflation, sending bond yields lower. The benchmark 10-year yield dropped below 4%, its lowest level since October. All maturities finished the week lower. China's announcement of retaliatory tariffs against the U.S. put additional pressure on the U.S. dollar index. The index touched its weakest level in 6 months. Gold sold off on Friday for the first time in a long time, but it ended the week higher. For the week, gold closed higher by nearly 2%, marking its 5th straight week of gains. Oil prices closed the week lower by about 9% as global risk assets sold off on mounting fears of a global economic slowdown and weakening oil demand. Thanks for listening, and thanks for doing business with Castlestone. Stay the course. We'll talk to you soon.